Come on in, come on, we're serving coffee. Hey, good morning, how are you?
All right. All right. All right.
Yeah.
What is this?
So we are the all-natural Bliss Café.
Natural.
Exactly. We are surprisingly natural, as is our creamer.
All natural.
So the creamer only has 4 ingredients: milk, cream, a touch of sugar, and natural flavor.
I'm sorry, say it one more time.
Sure. Yeah. Wait, I'm sorry. Is this coffee? Well, we're talking about
the cream to go in the coffee.
You get it. You know what's going on here. Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's good.
Take a bit more cream.
I just noticed what's going on right now.
We are so taking a picture.
Oh, that's good.
Can you take my bus?
This is a great idea.
It's a great
Messing with my head. It's like the best Friday I've had in a long time.
Can I see your bum?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, yay!
Nice.
Looks great.